Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to format code in VS Code in 2026. Code formatting can make your files easier to read and help keep your projects consistent, especially when multiple people are working together. So let's get started. First, open VS Code and open the project or source file you want to format. The available formatting features depend on the programming language and the tools installed for that language. For many languages, VS Code can provide basic formatting support. You can also install a formatter extension when your project uses a specific formatting tool. Open the extensions view and search for a trusted formatter that supports your language. After installing it, you may need to select it as the default formatter for that language. Now open a source file and use the document formatting command. VS Code will apply the formatter's rules to the code and adjust spacing, indentation, line breaks, and other formatting details. If you want formatting to happen automatically, open the settings and enable format on save. After that, saving a supported file can automatically apply the configured formatting rules. For projects with specific coding standards, check whether the project includes its own formatting configuration. Project settings should generally take priority over personal preferences, so everyone working on the code gets consistent results. If formatting doesn't work, check whether a formatter is installed and whether the correct default formatter is selected. Also make sure the language is recognized correctly by VS Code. Be careful when formatting large projects for the first time, because a formatter can change many lines at once. Review the changes before committing them to source control. That can make unexpected formatting changes much easier to catch, and that's how to format code in VS Code. Choose the right formatter, configure it for your language, and use manual or automatic formatting to keep your files clean and consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next